Good morning. Hello, Heidi. Thanks for your email. Yeah, it looks like we missed each other up. I understand. Sometimes people are busy. It's not a problem. Thanks for getting back to me anyway. I appreciate your help. This is, as you can see on the screen, the email that you sent me yesterday about to continue that chat to get down to the problem I'm actually experiencing on EasyEDA. So, the answer to your question to begin with is what version I'm using. It is the personal edition, and but the problem occurs on personal and pro edition, just to let you know. So just wanted to run you through what the problem is. So if I actually, this is my board test, and if I click on the blank test in here, just to open it up, you'll see in a second the design. Should be a short and sweet video, hopefully, just to show you the problem and what is happening and how, well, the fix as well. So just waiting for that. It's a little slow. It's a very complex design. There we go. So this is my design. I've got loads of stuff in here. So now I'm going to show you how it works first, and then I'll show you how it doesn't work. So if I select this text object in here, as you can see there, and control select another, or command select another text object, just to add to the selection. So sorry, 1 and 2. Let's just wait for that to happen. Yeah, come on, select one and select the other one. Good. Okay, so now we got these two are gray, right? So 1 and 2 selected, F and G, right? If I click delete, just delete those and go to view and 3D view, as you can see there, it will work fine. Yeah, see the design come up, everything is good, everything's, working fine, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm going to close it. And this time, you'll see now that, just waiting, come on. I'm going to undo. Click nothing else, just undo. Now these two are back, so F and G have the text. And if I click view, 3D view again, watch what happens. That's the problem. Blank. There we go. Nothing. I cannot. It'll stay like this for hours and hours, do nothing. There's nothing I can click. Close window, edit. There's a browser, but no options in here. No menus in there. It's just blank screen. That's it. There's nothing I can do other than just me closing that window. So I hope that shows the problem. Hopefully you'll be able to fix it. But to be honest with you, from the looks of it, I think it's a text limitation, or a number of text characters or objects, or even memory limitation that's causing this. I don't know if it's a Java or whatever it is, but it is clearly, you can see it now. Hopefully that should, explain to you the issue and what I'm actually experiencing. It's a bit of an annoying one, but I can work without it, so I can just get the text to remove the text, finish what I want to do, and then put the text back. But it's just not convenient. I thought I fixed it in my previous video, but it looks like as I added more objects, I'll reach that limit again, and that whole thing just kind of stopped. So I hope that video explains what's going on, and hopefully, your wonderful support should be able to, look into it and fix it. So have a nice day. Thank you.